How to delete watch history on YouTube. Hello everybody and welcome to this video where I'm going to show you exactly how to delete your YouTube watch history, but make sure that you watch this until the very end so that you don't make any mistakes in this process. So what we need to do first is to go into our YouTube app. Perfectly, now when you're on your YouTube app, then what you need to do is to click on your profile picture in the top right corner basically. So click there. And now you will be taken to this page right here, as you can see. What we need to do now is to click where it says settings. Perfectly, in here we need to click where it says history and privacy. Great, as you can see the first option where it says clear watch history, that is exactly where we need to click. Great, in here you can see that your YouTube watch history will be clear from all YouTube apps on all devices, and also your video recommendation will be reset. So basically what you need to do now is to click where it says clear watch history, and that is basically exactly how to do so. So let me know in the comments below if you have any questions and I will do my very best to try to help you. And also please leave a like on this video and subscribe to my channel because I'm doing a lot of helpful videos constantly that might be very useful to you. Thank you very much for watching and I wish you an awesome day.